Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How's it going? I've decided that at a spontaneous moment, I'm going to offhand pick this lock. Let's see if I can do it. Now, picking with my right hand is easy to do because all I have to do with my left hand is hold it. But, come on, it's really a Herculean effort to get your left arm and hand to work the way you want it to. I did this once off camera to see if I could do it. Now I'm going to see if I can do it on camera. Oh, it's a completely different story doing it offhand. Using reverse picking. Hey, I got it. Okay, that's my first official on-camera offhand pick. Now let's see if I can offhand rake it. Oh, wow. It's a completely different story doing it with your offhand, especially for me. Let's try to rake it. Let's see. I wrote it in my journal how I did the raking with the small brass. Small brass, the hook goes up. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Had it on the wrong side. Now I gotta pick it up again. Oh, I had it right the first. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can rake this thing. Yeah! Can you believe it? I've got freaking PD and I'm opening locks with my offhand. I mean, granted, this lock is really easy to do, but still, offhand with PD, that's really something, man. Another victory for PD everywhere. Another chance to tell PD to go to hell. I win, you lose. Yeah. Proof on the camera. Thanks everyone for watching.